Hey guys, welcome to my Android World channel. Today's video is all about the latest update in tech world. It includes something interesting for you. If you find this video as something useful, then please consider to subscribe my channel. That would be very motivation for me. So let's start from Google Pixel phone. Google Pixel 6 is turning out to be one of the hottest smartphone releases in 2021. There's a lot of news popping up around the upcoming Pixel flagship. It has also been discovered that the software giant is working on an in-house chipset for the Pixel 6. Not to miss, the Pixel 6 is also hinted to bring an upgraded camera setup. The new leak claims that these CAD renders provide a more detailed representation of the Pixel 6. From what we have seen, the device appears to have an elevated camera strip that runs through the width of the smartphone. Also, the device gets a dual-tone finish on the rear and no capacitive fingerprint reader, whereas it can be seen featuring a centered punch hole display on the front. The bezels have also been substantially reduced, however, there's a noticeable bottom chin. Also reveals that the Pixel 6 will feature an in-display fingerprint scanner for authentication. The same report also says that the Pixel 6 will sport a 6.4-inch flat display. Further, it will measure roughly 158.6 mm height, 74.8 mm width, 8.9 mm thick, 11.8 mm including rear camera bump. Moreover, the device will feature dual stereo speakers and a Type-C port. The renders do not showcase a 3.5 mm jack, so it's unlikely that it will appear on the device. We have also learned that the display on the Pixel 6 will ship within a AMOLED display. This will supposedly be a high refresh rate display, as seen on most high-end Android smartphones. For your information, the Pixel 5 sports a 90Hz display, so Google may want to switch to a higher 120Hz display to keep up with the current trend. Another big change expected for the Pixel 6 is the addition of an in-house chipset. Google has received a lot of flack in the past for shipping its device's average hardware. We are hoping this chipset is the desired hardware change the Pixel smartphones have been yearning for long. Reports suggest that Samsung is developing this chipset codenamed Whitechapel. We have also learned that it is an octa-core ARM CPU with 2 Cortex-A78, plus 2 Cortex-A76 and 4 Cortex-A55 cores. This will be coupled with a ARM Mali GPU and be fabricated on Samsung's 5nm manufacturing process. Coming to the most celebrated feature on the Pixel 6, the cameras, courtesy to the recent leak. We know that the upcoming Pixel smartphone will feature a dual camera setup on the rear with an additional third sensor, next to the LED flash. While we do not have the specs of the camera setup, we can predict that it will get upgraded sensors considering that the Pixel smartphones have been long due for a camera hardware update. Apart from this, Google also revealed that it has also been working to improve computational software that powers its cameras. The brand showcased how it is collaborating with image experts to bring better results while capturing pictures of people with different skin tones. We believe that's only a small part of the software change that we learned about, and the Pixel 6 will see plenty more improvements that will make its camera stand out. Finally, the Pixel 6 is expected to see battery improvements, and yes, the big Android 12 is also coming. Google announces its flagship Pixel devices during the September event that it holds every year. The current Pixel 5 arrived on September 30th last year, so we are expecting the Pixel 6 to arrive at the same time this year. I will share the more information about the device when it's available. Hope you guys got some information about the device. Please consider to like the video and subs the channel. See you in the next video.